Hi, this is Paulette from the Magical Needle, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on using this 1/4 inch compensating foot. As you can see, this foot is very different from this foot. Now this foot is a 1/4 inch foot, but foot is used for machine piecing only, and that's for sewing your seams together. This foot is perfect for the machine binding because, as you can see, the needle lines up in the seam. Also, this part is very, very heavy and it pushes down on really thick, bulky fabric. As you can see, it stitches perfect right in the ditch. I like to use my binding clips to help hold it together instead of pins. And I hope this inspires you to create something magical.